Calling all Cubs fans. Have you ever dreamed of living right across from Wrigley Field, where you can see the stadium lights, hear live concerts, and the Cubby crowd cheering from your own rooftop? Be part of the action at the residences at Addison Clark, one of Lakeview's newer rental residences with all the exciting nightlife on Clark Street and the CTA Red Line train just a block from your door. M&R Development really hit a home run for the neighborhood when they finished the property in 2018, revitalizing Wrigleyville to a new level. You gotta see this. Come on. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city, so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. You will feel the energy of the city as you walk up to the residences at Addison and Clark. And you will immediately feel at home as you enter the boutique building, boasting an intimate atmosphere with just 148 apartments going up 8 stories. Everyone will be satisfied with these sizable layouts, each fully suited with wood plank flooring throughout, the double door refrigerator with ice maker, laundry in unit, and a dishwasher. Like this large one-bedroom at 763 square feet with a spacious open concept floor plan with no wasted space. You walk right into your cozy home with two-tone cabinetry and a kitchen island perfect for hosting. I love their signature slated accessory walls that allow you to customize your foyer storage with additional hooks and shelving. Choose to work from home in your own apartment with all of this space. Or from any of these amenity spaces. The think tank and conference rooms are great for those who take a lot of private calls and virtual meetings. Or you might like the light and energy of working in the Diamond Lounge or dugout space that's more open and relaxing. If you're a dog mom or dad, you'll think they really hit it out of the park when they built the Bullpen, a private outdoor park on the 6th floor, exclusive to the residents of the building. Their largest 2-bedroom is 1,409 square feet, plus a private balcony. We're on the 7th floor, southwest corner, with your dream city skyline view with 2 full walls of windows, flooding the space with natural light, while also catching your afternoon sunsets. The residences at Addison and Clark have some of the best 2-bedroom floor plans in the city. They're spacious and have great split layouts with 2 separate quarters. Like this 2-bedroom at 1,186 square feet on the 7th floor facing north with views of Wrigley Field. You have 1 bedroom and bathroom on the left and your 2nd bedroom and bathroom on the right side. And this one comes with a built-in kitchen island with room for 4 stools all around. With oversized studios through 2 bedrooms, there are 30 different spacious layouts to choose from here, all with generous walk-in closets. With so much life in the neighborhood, you might also enjoy getting out and working from home every now and then at the cozy Hotel Zachary right across the street. And you just might stay for bubbles and beats if it's Thursday, sipping sparkling cocktails and champagne while local DJs spin some saucy songs. The overall versatile vibes of the neighborhood and the building invites all lifestyles. Check out the fan favorite convertible that's better than some one beds out there at 689 square feet with the sliding glass door that adds the perfect flow and tons of character to these modern apartments. Here on the 8th floor facing east, you get bright sunrise and lake views with an ideal bedroom setup where your walk-through closet leads into your very spacious bathroom with tons of added storage for linens and things. Check out this massive kitchen in this northwest corner 2-bed at 1294 square feet. It is so rare to get a legit kitchen pantry, plus this grand peninsula that everyone desires. Imagine hosting happy hour at your place before heading out to a game. Or grab drinks at one of the popular hotspots on Clark Street like Sluggers, Old Crow, or a newer addition, Happy Camper, where you'll enjoy more than just pizza. The vibes here are unlike other places on the Strip, with an Instagrammable moment everywhere you look. There's plenty of fitness-focused fun for you too. Lake Michigan and the Lakefront Trail are less than a mile from home, where you'll enjoy a stretch of fresh air and peaceful water views, whether you're a runner or just like to go for walks. When it's too cold to head out, there's a substantial on-site training zone supplied with smart life fitness equipment offering on-demand workouts, plus a separate stretching and spinning zone. What's your favorite part about Lakeview? Tell us below in the comments. Wondering what else the neighborhood has to offer? Head over to our Instagram page at LiveShyTV for more neighborhood guides, tips and tricks, and also to get in touch with me and my team for help finding your next apartment in Chicago.